Good morning students. Let's continue our topic forest. Last video we have discussed how to protect forest, and here we have discussed the Forest Conservation Act that was enacted by the Indian Parliament in 1980. According to its rules, the indiscriminate cutting of the trees in forest is a punishable offence. Many areas in India have been covered into the national park and wildlife sanctuaries to protect the forest cover and animals that live in the forest. First one is a national park. National park is a reserve land usually declared and owned by the national government. It is protected from most human developments and pollution. Another one is the sanctuary. Sanctuary is also a reserve area in which birds and animals are protected from hunting. A national park differs from a sanctuary that no human activity is allowed inside the former, while the limited activities are permitted within the latter. National parks receive more financial support from the central government, and the Gir National Park is in Gujarat is the one place in the world where is the Asiatic lion is protected so that it can live in its natural surrounding. Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary in Rajasthan is the largest bird sanctuary in Asia. It is the famous as for the refuge for migratory birds like Siberian crane, Baron, ibis, pelicans, painted storks. These are the some migratory birds making their temporary home during very severe winter months. Some other national park in the Himalayas foothill are the Corbett National Park and Dudhwa National Park. They provide the unforgettable wild experiences. Stop deforestation. A number of the organizations are spreading awareness about the importance of forest and trees through the printed as well as the electronic media. My dear students, you also draw a poster on the topic is Stop Deforestation. We all can also contribute toward the forest conservation. One is by minimizing the use of the wood and wood products. Next one is by not using the product that promote the destructions of the forest. Many people buy fur obtained from animals, ornament made of elephant tusk, etc. This should not be done as it lead to killing of the wild animals. Next is step is by celebrating the growing of the plant as a festival and involve more and more people in this activity. This activity is known as the Van Mahotsav. What do you mean by Van Mahotsav? Van Mahotsav is a program launched by the Indian government to increase the number of the trees in our country. Every year, thousands of trees are planted during these forest festivals. Many schools also celebrate Van Mahotsav by planting tree. Yes, of course, our school is also celebrate this Van Mahotsav in July month. So, in this way, they contribute toward the making the earth green. Now, my dear students, forests are the earth air purifier, and these are also known as the earth lungs, because just as our lungs absorb the carbon dioxide from the blood and infuse it with oxygen, same as green plant absorb the carbon dioxide during photosynthesis and in return release the oxygen into the atmosphere. One Mahotsav. Here one more things I introduce, that is the Chipko Andolan. Gora Devi, that is the leader of the Chipko Andolan. This Chipko Andolan is literally means hug the trees movement. It is originated from an ancient in the remote village high up in the Himalayas in 1972. There was a dispute between the local villagers and the logging contractor who had been allowed to fell tree in a forest close to the village. The woman Gora Devi of the Rani village reached the forest quickly and cleared the tree trunk. They thus prevented the workers from using their axes and saw to the cut trees. The Chipko Andolan worldwide attention. It is the symbolic heading of the tree huggers who put themselves in a danger in order to protect a part of the natural environment from getting harmed. So, my dear students, you are grow afforestation process means you have grow the large number of the trees in your surrounding areas, in your home, and even you also do one sapling of the plant on your birthday also. So this is our explanation of this chapter forest, and tomorrow we will meet again the back exercise and question answer of chapter forest. Thank you.